How to fix WaasMedic high CPU and disk usage. Solution 1. Perform disk cleanup. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the dialog box, type in clean mgr and click OK. Click Clean Up System Files. Tick the checkboxes of the locations you want to be cleaned. Click OK, and click Delete Files. Wait for the cleaning process to complete. Solution 2. Pause Windows updates for 35 days. Right-click the Start menu button, and click Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Advanced Options. Under the Pause Updates section, open the drop-down menu, and select the furthest available date. Now Windows won't install updates for the next 35 days. However, you may resume updates at any time. Close the Settings window. Solution 3. Disable WaasMedic using Windows Registry Editor. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the dialog box, type in regedit and click OK. Once in the registry editor, navigate to hkey_local_machine /system/current control set /services /WaasMedic SVC. In the right pane, right-click Start, and click Modify. In the Value Data section, set the value to 4, and click OK. Thank you for watching.